Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change Instagram music length in your story. First is you open your Instagram app. I will swipe it to the left just to show you my camera. I just tap the capture button. Then I will show you cool trick. If I swipe up, I'm gonna add the music. I will choose the top one. Here I can scroll back and forth to designate the music where I want to start. So you can see that at the bottom of the left, a little number. I can change the duration from 5 seconds to 15 seconds. But the key thing about this is that I can do this if I only capture the photo. So if I go back and get out of this, so I'll press discard. I can take a video and go to the music, and you'll see that it's only seconds. I can still scroll it, except I cannot change the length of the music. You can only change the length of the music if you take a photo. You can do that if you take a video. So if you're in that scenario and you want to limit how long the video, I suggest you another app. So this is InShot. InShot is a great video editor. You can take the video and edit in the audio in any length, and basically it's easy way to edit your video. So if I add a video here, I can add music here and edit whatever I want. Hope this video helped you out. If you have questions, please put it in comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and like.